After years of experiments, Andre Toulon has created puppets that want to play with you. Full Moon introduces the Puppet Master Action Figure Series. 8 dolls that come alive with movable parts and accessories to spare. Blade can strike with a hatchet or a knife and see with eyes that glow in the dark. When his friend Pinhead lifts these dumbbells, he can really blow his top. 6-shooter always has you in his sights with 6 pistol-packing arms. Jester leads the puppet parade with his scepter, knife, and a revolving head that will wipe the smile off your face. If Tunneler's movable drill doesn't get you, then his machine gun and pickaxe will. Leech Woman has a kiss to die for and plenty of slimy friends to crawl around. The action heats up with Torch's glowing flamethrower. And watching over this madness is the Totem and his power gem. The new line of Puppet Master action figures are now stocking your toy and specialty stores. For more information, log on to the Full Moon Toys website at fullmoontoys.com.